Welcome to another vlog. I got a camera in the dryer. Today I'm going to be reviewing dryer lint vacuum attachment. It's by Sea Legend. And basically the concept is you attach it to the end of any vacuum cleaner hose and you get some of the lint that's down in the lint trap. First time opening this. Alright. Comes with some instructions on how to use it. But basically, there's a universal hose. Stretches to any vacuum cleaner hose. So, I got a shop vac here, but you can use any vacuum. So the easiest way is to put this hose inside the tube. Just gotta give it a little squeeze there. There we go. And then you just peel that down over your hose, and now it's on there. And so that'll fit into your dryer. Because obviously your dryer has a lot of lint, you can pretty much peel all of that off. What about all the loose stuff down in here? That's where dryer lint vacuum attachment comes into play. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the vacuum. Let's give this a shot. It's getting a lot of lint out of there. Look at all this. So there was a lot of lint down inside there, and saw some of it come up. So yeah, it's a pretty good tool. You could probably use that in your car, around the seats, anywhere where you can't fit the regular sized hose, because that would fit in a pretty narrow area. So you could really use that anywhere. So yeah, it's a pretty cool product. If you want to order your own, you can go to dryerhose.dagleymedia.com, and I want to thank Sea Legend for sending me this product to test on the vlog. And if you want to watch more episodes, vlog.dagleymedia.com. And that's it for this episode. I'll see ya on the next one.